Oh, the good old bait and switch is still alive out there, guys. I was in between a Viper or getting the Vador. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it in the corners right here. And I decided to get the Vador. But to get the Vador, you need the donor car, so you need a G35. So then I went to Copart. I won a G35 6-speed manual, black. This beauty. And it was crashed on the, I think on the left side. So I won this car. I had this whole problem with Copart, which I'll explain in another video. The car was for $2,500, and with all the fees and everything, it went to $3,500. I'm 10 minutes away from Copart. Fool does have this bright idea to check Infiniti's online first. And then he finds me one that's in Queens. And the final price was $4,000. $500 more than the Copart one. So they're like, well, $500 more, and it's here, it runs, it's great. You know, I could do content like right now with it. So we're like, you know what, dude? Let's get it. So then we go to Queens and we get there. We do a test drive. The car is in great condition. The transmission is great. You know, the engine is great. And so we finish the road test. It's a great deal. And then we meet with the rep. He says from $4,000 that it was listed, with all the fees and all the stuff, it went up to $7,000. $3,000 more than the price listed. And then we're like, whoa, hold on, buddy, this is way too much. And then he calls the manager. And then he explained to us that $3,000 included a $2,000 pre-release fee that included them checking the car over, and if it needed something, they would change it. Like, we walked out of there so freaking fast that you wouldn't believe it. Oh my God, $2,000 to check if the car is okay. So these are the type of techniques that these dealerships are still doing today, and unfortunately, some people actually fall for that. I surely did not, and my friend Fool Does did not also. He told me, let's get out of here real quick. So yeah, from 4,000 listed to 7,000. Be careful out there, guys, and don't let this dealership freaking screw you up and get your money, because this business is still a dirty business. If you like this video, please give me a like, and if you're new, please consider subscribing, because 2019 is gonna be an awesome year. I hope you enjoyed this story time. Until next time, guys, peace in the Middle East.